Hello students. Hello, hello students. Welcome in our channel Class 10 NCRT. This is Sujata Kamre. Okay, I'm coming with the two hot questions. So here, let us see the first question here, and there is the for say for analog wristwatches and the digital wristwatches. Okay, this is the hot example about analog wristwatches and the digital wristwatches students. Okay, so now here let us see the first question about it. Okay, it is the activity based question as well as students the hot question. It will come to as hard question for the hard question students. Okay, so let us see the first question students. So here first let us see sale only for 2 days, and I have some analog wristwatches and some digital wristwatches. I'm going to sell them at a discount. Okay, so this is the advertisement for the analog wristwatches and the digital wristwatches. Now here, sale of first day that analog watch is equal to 11, digital watch is equal to 6, receive amount is equal to rupees 4,330 rupees. Then set of the second day, analog watch is equal to 22, digital watch is equal to 5, receive amount is equal to rupees 7,330 rupees, and find selling price of wristwatch of each type. Wristwatch of each type, that means students we have to find out the selling price of analog wristwatch as well as the digital wristwatch. Okay, student. So let us start that from starting from the consideration that is selling price. Okay. So here first I write down that the selling price of wristwatch. Here students, first I write down that length. Here I write down here length. X be the selling price of analog wristwatch, and Y be the selling price of digital wristwatch. So now here students, as per the second condition, this one is the second condition students. So second condition says that analog watch is equal to 11, digital watch is equal to 6, and receive amount is equal to 4,330. So that is the sale of the first day students, sale of the first day. So I write down here by first condition. By first condition. First condition, selling price, analog watch 11. So here 11 heads plus digital watch 6. So here 6y total. So here rupees 4,330. So I call it as the first one equation. And then next one, Next one is that by second condition, that same of the second day, that is the second condition. So I write here by second condition. So by second condition, analog watch 22. So 22x plus digital watch 5. So 5y is equal to receive amount 7,330. Then it will be 22x plus 5y is equal to 7,330 and find it as the second one equation. Now here student, if you observe these two equations, then here is the that coefficient of x here is 11 and here in the equation second that is the 22, that is the multiple of 2. So that means here students, I write that multiplying equation 1 by 2. So by multiplying equation 1 by 2, that means 11 2s are 22x plus 6 2s are 12y is equal to multiplying 2, that means 0, 6, 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So call it as the third one equation. So now here we have the second and third equation. So the coefficients are equal 22x and 22a. So here we subtract these equations students. So here I subtract these equations. So subtract equations 2 and 3. So here second equation is 22x plus 5y is equal to 7,330 minus 22x plus 12y is equal to 8,660. So here change the sign. Here minus, here is a minus. 22 minus 22. So that means here 0. Then 5 minus 12, that means minus 7 is equal to 8,660. 8,660 minus 7,330. So that means here students 3 1,330. Okay, minus 1,330. So here students minus 7y is equal to minus 1,330. That means students 7y is equal to 1,330. Okay students, and that means here students the remaining part, I write down the remaining part at this place. Okay, so here students, here is the sum place. So y is equal to 1,330 divided by 7. So here students, y is equal to, see here, 7, 1,330 divided by 7. So 7 is just 7, 6, then 3. 7 9 is 63 and here 0. Okay, student. So 190. So y is equal to 190. Okay, students? Yes. And then here, students, put this value in equation 1. So here I write down that I write down here, put this value in equation 1. So now here, student, equation 1 is 11x plus 6y is equal to 4,330. So that means here students 11x plus 6 multiply 190 is equal to 4,330. So here 11x plus. So now here students here is the 0 and 19 6 are. 140. Okay. Yes. Silver 19, 6 140. Okay. Is equal to 4330. So here 11x is equal to 4330 minus 1140. So 11x is equal to. So now here students 4330 minus 1140. Okay. So here 0, then here 9, here 1, and here it will be the 3. Okay, so students here, yes, it is right. So 3190. So now x is equal to 3190 divided by 11 students, which is equal to. So here we do this division 3190 divided by 11. So 11 2s are 22. So now we are 909. 11 nines are 99 and here 0 taking 0 minus 0 then 0 290 x is equal to 290. So now here x, what is the x? X, that is the selling price of analog wristwatch. Okay, and what is the y? So y, that is the selling price of digital wristwatch. So finally, we have the answer. And so I write here at this place, I write here that selling price, selling price of analog wristwatch is equal to rupees 290. And then and selling price of digital wristwatch is equal to rupees 190. Okay, student. So finally, we get the answer. Okay, students. So this is the final answer, students. Okay, watch it carefully. It is the activity as well as it could be come as a hot question also, students. Okay, so here observe carefully, students. This question is very important for your examination base. Okay, so now here students, let us see the next one question. So next one question, and that next one question is also the activity based hot question, student. So here to solve given equation, fill the boxes below suitable. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. Second one, 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. So now here these are the simultaneous linear equations in two variables and we have to solve it. So now here student replacing 1 upon x minus 1 by m and here 1 upon y minus 2 by n. So in this box, we have to write new equation on solving. Okay, student? So here, now as we detailing, we in detail, we have to solve this example, students. Okay, student? So here, 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. So now here it will be 5 multiply 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. So here it will be 5m plus n is equal to 2. So call it as the first one equation. Then your students, next one that will be the 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, students? And then here 6 multiply 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 multiply 1 upon minus 2 is equal to 1. So here students, it will be 6n minus 3n is equal to 1 and call it as the second one equation. So now here students, the coefficient of x as well as the y are not same, and that's why we try to equate or we can substitution method. Here apply the substitution method. It will be very easy because it is the n. So n is equal to 2 minus 5n. This one is the new one equation. So here call it as the third one. Okay. So now here students that put this value here also students see here what process is carried out in this activity. Okay, so that's why we have to carry out this question. So replacing after replacing this, so new equations on solving. Yes, new equation. So here I write down in this box the new equation means the first one equation that will be 5m plus n is equal to 2. Okay, students. And here the second one that means here c6 and minus 3n is equal to 1. They already write here. Okay, then here m is equal to dash and n is equal to dash. Replacing m and by their original values. Okay, so that's why students will have to calculate this m and n. So here this process is carried out. Yes, substitution method. So I write here put this value in equation 2. So here the second equation 6m minus 3n is equal to 1. So 6m minus 3 multiply 2 minus 5m is equal to 1. So here 6m minus 6 plus 15m is equal to 1. So here 6 plus 15 that is a 21m is equal to 1 plus 6. So 21m is equal to 7. So m is equal to 7 upon 21. That means 7 plus 7, 7 3 are 21. So here m is equal to 1 upon 3. Now here students, then the next step that is put this value in equation 3. So put this value in equation 3. So here n is equal to 2 minus 5m. So n is equal to 2 minus 5 into 1 upon 3. So here students n is equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3. So that's why here students n is equal to 3 to the 6 minus 5 upon 3. That means n is equal to 1 upon 3. Yes. M is equal to 1 upon 3 and n is equal to 1 upon 3 students. So here students, here we write down that in this empty box, m is equal to 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 n is equal to 1 upon 3 students. Okay? This way. And now replacing m and n by their original conventional value. So here students, that 1 upon x, here 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3, and that means students x minus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 1. So x is equal to 4. Yes, students, x is equal to 4. And here, students, on solving here at the right hand side, we say that 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to n. Yes, students, is equal to n, and that means here 1 upon 3. So here y minus 2 is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 plus 2. So here y is equal to 5. So these are the final values. So x is equal to 4 in this empty box, and here y is equal to 5 in this empty box. Okay, students. So now here such a way we can get the xy is equal to 4, 5. Okay, here students, x y is equal to 4, 5 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. So here student, this is the activity based question, activity plus thought question, and it will be very important as your examination based. So students, watch carefully, practice it carefully, and you should practice yourself, students. If you practice yourself, then you easily achieve the success in examination. So here, students, see here. So now here, students, if you like our content, then you subscribe our channel, students. If you like our